What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you how you can make $15,000 per month on YouTube without making videos in 2020. This is one of the most popular method out there and some of the leading YouTube channels are using this strategy. All of these YouTube channels have millions of subscribers and they are making tons of money. It is also a long-term strategy. And I will just, for the sake of an example, I will also show you a channel that is known as Bestie, how this channel is implementing this strategy. I will also show you the software, how you can replicate this strategy and create a channel like these and start making money online from YouTube. But before starting out this video, make sure to subscribe my channel if you wanted to get more future videos about make money online, digital marketing and how to become an entrepreneur. And if you wanted to earn a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have pasted the link in the description box below. You can use that system and start your income from today. So let's get started. Let's move to the example channel Bestie. This is the Bestie channel and it was launched in Feb 6, 2017 and currently it has received over 177 million views. So just bring out my calculator here. Let's do the math. 177 million views. Let's suppose this channel is getting $3 for 1000 views. So even I know it is earning far more than this, but just for the example here, still this channel has earned over $530,000 and even more than this. Make sure that this is just the revenue from the YouTube's partners program and it is an ad revenue. Apart from this channel is earning from affiliate marketing, sponsorship and other methods. Definitely reaching at this level will take time. Still, if you do not reach at this level, but make sure that there is a space for everyone on YouTube, you can still make enough money to spend a good life even you are living in US, Canada, United States or every part of the world. There is a room for everyone. And now if you wanted to know how you can create such types of videos, just move to the video section and look at 14 habits that could be stopping you from losing weight. This is what hiding in your washing machine, 7 exercises to relieve knee pain immediately. So just look at these videos and most of these videos are nearly 10 minutes long. And if you wanted to know how to create such types of videos, I will show you a very popular software. Very few people actually know this. This is known as contentsamurai.com. It's a really popular software. It will also provide you the images, footages and everything. Just you need to paste your script, and once you paste your script, this software will do rest for you. How this software will actually work? Let's suppose I have just logged into my members area. Here you will see that click here to start using this app. Now click on create a new video. From here you can choose from different templates: video for social media, video for blog post, and just video from a blog post. Let's suppose property listing video. So you can choose any template from you want. And let's suppose if I wanted to use this script, so just click on cool blue and use this template. And here you need to put your video title and paste your video script here. Make sure you have a few thousand words article, like 1000 to 1500 words article, in order to get 8 to 12 minutes long video. How to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps. And this is my title. Just put your title here and add few lines and video script. Now click on create scenes for your video. your video is ready. Just make sure that the footages that the software has added should match to your content. You can fully edit that content. Let's suppose this footage is not related to the weight loss, so just search here for weight loss, and let's suppose click on this. It will be added into your script, and just move through one by one. And once you are happy with this video, you can fully customize. You can also add a voiceover, and from here you can add your music, auto voice, record your voice track, upload a voice track. Let's suppose I'm using this auto voice track and Anna. So just preview your video. Your video is ready.
Here are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. However, most of them will make you hungry and unsatisfied. If you don't have iron willpower, then hunger will cause you to give up on plans quickly.
So that's how you can create videos on this software. If you want to manually adjust timing, click on this button, and if you are okay with this video, click on looks good, continue, and from where you can download or render this video and then download this video into your computer. And if you just look at the left side hand side of your screen, you can see that from here you can select music, my music, any mode, any genre. So it is up to you which thing you want to choose. You can fully customize this video just from here. Again, if you want to do any customizability, click on template, script, scenes, voices, preview, and then download. So all things are under your control, and just click on generate your video and you can download this video and upload it into your YouTube channel. But just move to the content summary pricing structure. Click on pricing. It is an excellent tool, and I highly recommend you for every YouTuber who wanted to make such types of videos to use this tool. Free 7 days trial, and later on $47 per month, and there is an annual price of $397 per year. And you can with that pricing plan you will get over 125 million royalty free images, and I hope that's enough for finding everything on Content Samurai. 40 plus trending videos templates, 30 plus popular fonts, and there are a lot more out there in this premium monthly plan. So I hope this video will be great for those people who wanted to start their channel like Bestie or any other popular channel out there related to that category. And if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. That's all for today. Thank you.